If you can't calculate units per ton, you're guessing your profit. If you don't know how many bags you produce per ton, you don't know your real margin. Not in flexible packaging, not in rotogravure printing, not anywhere. Let's fix that in the next few minutes. Step 1. The real foundation. Everything starts with one number, grammage, GSM, grams per square meter. This tells us how heavy 1 square meter of material is. Now, to calculate the weight of one bag, we simply calculate how much material that bag consumes. Step 2. Weight of one bag, the core formula. Here is the correct formula, weight of one bag, in grams. From GSMX, bag width, X bag length, 1,000,000. Why divide by 1 million? Because width and length are usually in millimeters. 1 square meter for 1,000,000 square millimeters. So we convert the area to square meters first. That gives us the exact weight of one unit. No guessing. Step 3. Units per kilogram. Now it becomes simple. Units per kilogram, var 1000, weight of one bag in grams, because 1 kilogram, 1,000 grams. That tells us exactly how many pieces we produce per kilo. Step 4, units per ton, and since 1 ton out of 1,000 kilos, then units per ton, now units per kilogram, x 1,000. Now you know how many bags are inside 1 ton of material, not approximately, exactly. Psychological reinforcement moment. Here's why this matters. If your calculation is wrong by even 1 gram per unit, across 1 ton, that error multiplies thousands of times. And that's where hidden profit disappears. Not in printing, not in lamination. In calculation, in flexible packaging, clarity in numbers protects margin. Most companies focus on machines. Smart companies focus on math. If you understand your unit weight, you control your cost. Mohamed Assad, Flexible Packaging, Decision and Trust Advisor. If this made you pause, it's worth sharing.